You are going to love the 2015 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, navigation system, power liftgate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, driver lumbar. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.